Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can earn $45.94 every 25 minutes using Google Translate. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So to earn money using Google Translate, let's start with CPA Grip. You can go to cpagrip.com. It is a marketing platform with industry-leading monetization tools. So why CPA Grip? CPA Grip is an industry leader in the affiliate marketing space, maintaining an impressive track record of success and publisher satisfaction since 2013. Our sophisticated tools like our URL locker, our content locker, our offer wall, and more, and our inventory of over 2,000 incentive offers, in addition to our dedicated support team and experienced development technicians, has made CPA Grip one of the best reviewed performance engines for publishers and advertisers alike. CPA Grip's accessible and detailed control panel for publishers lets you navigate the whole platform with just a few clicks. From this easy-to-use dashboard, you can check out our sophisticated monetization tools like the Content Locker, URL Locker, and our API implementation features such as the JSON and RSS offer feeds. Browse through our complete inventory of campaigns from all over the world. Set up detailed analytics about your traffic and campaigns using our postback tracking features. If you ever have a question, you can always reach out to our support team. We are happy to help you. Advanced Analytics Engine, our live statistics tracker gives you detailed feedback on all aspects of your campaigns, so you can optimize your traffic and maximize your revenue. So now, let's try to use CPA Grip. Click on Become a Publisher. Now, after signing up with CPA Grip, you can now see this dashboard here. You can see the chat of others here that they already earned money using CPA Grip. There's also a stats overview here where you can see the views, clicks, leads, revenue, EPC, and conversions. Here are the recently added offers. You can see the product on the left side, and you can see the conversion on the right side. So if we click on the product, you will see here that it is only available in Australia. And the payout is $1.16. All you have to do is to copy the title like this, and then you can go to Google Translate. Paste the text here, and there we can see the translation. Take this short survey now. Let's go back to CPA Grip. Let's look for the other offers. There are also top performing offers here. Let's try this one. Copy the title. Then go to Google Translate. Paste the text. And there we have the translation. Get the latest content now. Now go back to CPA Grip, and all you have to do is to click on Copy Link. We can earn money if someone click on this link. So what are we going to do is to get help from Traffic Ad Bar. Go to trafficadbar.com. Consumer warning, we will deliver up to 1,022 visitors to your websites every 3 days for free. Free website traffic, free advertising profile, automatic search engine submission, free advertising to our members, free advertising through our network, And you can promote yourself. Plus, you will receive 100,000 free points. So let's try to join Traffic Ad Bar. Joining Traffic Ad Bar is easy. Join today and get 100% totally free website traffic. Traffic Ad Bar is a great way to get free website traffic. It is more than just a traffic exchange. While traditional traffic exchange provide you with traffic today, with Traffic Ad Bar what you do today can bring you results for the next 3 months. We don't just advertise your website or affiliate link to other members. We also advertise your website throughout our advertising network, which includes other traffic exchanges as well as other websites. Why limit your advertising when you can leverage the power of the internet and promote not just your websites, but yourself too? And if that's not enough, you also have the option to upgrade your account and put our advertising on auto with our upgrade packages. Just pick the one that suits you and get a minimum guaranteed 1,000, 2,000, or 4,000 visitors to your websites every month guaranteed. Now, let's try to sign up with Traffic Ad Bar. Put your first name, your email address, and then click on Join. You can now add a website or affiliate link. You can add up to 5 websites. So let's try to paste the link here from CPA Grip. Then, click on Add a website. The ad you place below is the ad that will appear on Traffic Ad Bar. You can have 25 letters, numbers, and spaces for the title and 35 letters, numbers, and spaces for each line of your advert. Now, let's try to add the title. Like for example, get the latest content. Now, add line number 1. And remember that your advert should make people want to click. Enter your details to get started. Add line number 2. Get the latest content now. And this is what your ad will look like. You can now fill up the other questions here and then click on Save. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next video.